it's Papa Drew, and we are over here at the TinyFest house. It's cold here in San Diego today. I'm wearing a little bit of a jacket, but anyway, you can see behind me there's a whole bunch of Skoolies. We're gonna go over there. I love your stabs. Hi. I'm gonna steal ideas. Is that okay?
Of course.
I love the floors. This is so awesome. This is a 40-foot Thomas, right? Sorry. Okay, cool. And I'm not doing the roof just like you guys are.
Well, this is the original.
Yeah, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm keeping it magnet stick to these.
Yeah.
See? Mini split, we're doing that. Love the couch. I'm doing an L-shaped. Yeah. So in mine, I had the I might get rid of them, but I have the AC units on the sides. And I'm going to do the L-shaped couch. And then coming out, this won't be here. And then right here, bar stools that slide underneath the butcher block counter to have a little, yeah. Yeah, so it'll be counter space, couch, the back of the couch, the counter space, then come around. And then instead of a stove, I'm gonna have a Blackstone griddle. Just like in a fast food place, just to make it easy and then country sink, big sink, same fridge as you. That's basically the kitchen, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so and then my entertainment center is going to be low like that because that's where the wheel well is. TV's going to be there, fireplace right here, and then barn doors back here for the bathroom, right? And then bathtub. I might put a head for a man, the stand-up toilet, and then the sink. Pretty much. Yep. Beautiful.
Yeah, so right now, we can power everything pretty comfortably.
Okay.
We might end up adding everything just to totally just really not have to worry about it.
Right.
But right now, it works for us what we have.
What do you have for fresh water on board?
100 gallons.
Okay.
Yeah, 100-gallon grid as well.
Does it work real good?
Yeah, so we can be off grid for a week.
Okay, with the two of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Love it. I love the big sink too. It's so rocking.
Yeah.
I'm just I'm stealing ideas.
No,
I'm just letting you know. Okay.
Good. No, I appreciate it. That's why we're here.
Hopefully next year I'll park in here.
Right?
Can I come on and?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay,
Go
cool.
for it. Check it. I think you dropped this.
Oh, shoot. Thanks.
You're good.
Yeah, I love the sink.
Yeah, I was like, if I'm hand washing everything, I want to be able to do it normally. Yeah. And so that's why we went with that one.
And the stove. I'm not doing the stove. I'm putting a Blackstone in.
Oh.
So it's just easy cleanup. It's done. Yeah.
No, that's a good idea.
Just add more counter space.
Yeah, for sure.
That's right. And the barn. I'm doing the same thing. The barn door.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cool. I'm outside with the owner of the Goose bus. He's going to tell you all about this bus, the build, how long it took, and all the in and outs, and what he's really proud of. Each Skoolie is unique to the owner, and he has definitely personalized it inside. So check this out. Your name is?
Fez.
Fez. Nice to meet you. I'm Drew.
My wife's Sydney, and then we got our pup Maverick. So a little Maverick and Goose action, Top Gun.
Nice.
So yeah, we're both from Florida. Came out to San Diego with me being in the Navy, and since everything's so crazy over here, with the housing market and whatnot and rent, we're just exploring our options, and we came across the abomination of the Skoolie community. So we're like, well, we looked into it a little bit more. We're like, this is actually really cool. You get a school bus, you've got this empty shell, and now you just put whatever you want in there to make it your home.
So how long did the bus take to build?
So to get it to where it's at now, since we started working on it, it's been 9 months, and I'd say we probably need probably 1 more month to get it real clean, finish up some of the cabinets and some of the finishing details.
To where you want it?
To get it to how we want it to actually look.
Right.
We've been living in it full time now since March, so like a month and a half roughly, and it's comfortable. We made sure one of the things that when we went into this was making it comfortable and as convenient as possible. So having all the amenities, a full-size kitchen, the full-size bathroom, even the laundry washer dryer combo, a nice big closet, full pantry for storing things. Everything underneath the bed is 6 by 3 feet of just empty space, and then the 100-gallon water tank underneath the bed as well. It's just super convenient. And then with our whole solar setup, 800 watts of panels, 300 amp hours batteries, the 3000 amp inverter, and that's also hooked up to our alternator on the bus. So if we're really in a tight spot, we just crank the engine and that helps charge up the batteries.
Right on.
And so we can comfortably live off grid, and it's
yeah. How long have you been off grid on it for? What's your plan?
So
the longest day.
The longest we went without having anything, and before we had to refill the water tank, which is really our only limitation,
exactly.
Was 8 days, and that's me taking nice long showers at the end of every day. So otherwise the wife yells at me that I stink. So yeah, it's really convenient just being
awesome.
off grid and having all that.
What's your #1 feature in the bus? What are you the most proud of?
The big things that not only myself and my wife really love about the bus is how unique the bus looks with the Raptor liner on the bus. So we went with a Raptor truck bed liner and sprayed the entire outside of the bus. And it gives it just a nice rugged, durable look to it. It's something a little bit more unique, and it helps sound deaden a little bit, because with the outside of the bus being all just sheet metal, if you don't do anything to it, it might rattle a little bit. So that's something that we did to give it a nice, strong. Cool look.
Did you do it, or did you have it done?
My wife and I did it.
Wow.
So everything on the bus, that's something that we're really happy about, is that we did everything ourselves.
Yeah, a lot of people can't say they did that.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Okay, cool. Well,
yeah.
Thanks. Howdy.
Howdy.
Beautiful house, man.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
You guys did a great job. Really, you did. I love it. I love the Berkey.
Oh, you got all that ice maker,
Nice.
washer dryer, and
Yeah.
air fryer.
Up to the deck.
Yeah. I just put it there so people say, how do you get there?
Yeah.